Hello everyone in the Northeast. Hope you're excited. More snow. Winter storm Xanto? Maybe. Here is the continental U.S. on the NAM 12-kilometer model. As you can see, Wilbur is moving out, thankfully. But here comes a clipper system from the Alberta region of Canada, and it'll swing right on into the Northeast. Then following right behind it is a snowstorm that dips right into the south and comes into the Northeast. Here's the GFS model. As you can see, here comes the clipper, and here comes possible winter storm Xanto. We'll play it again. As you can see, Wilbur goes away. Clipper, possible Xanto. Here's the snow totals. As you can see, this is showing more of a mid-Atlantic storm. All the models are disagreeing with this completely. Here's the Canadian model. As you can see, there goes Wilbur, clipper system, then possible winter storm Xanto. We'll play it again. Wilbur is gone. Here comes the clipper, and here comes possible winter storm Xanto. Here's the snow totals. It's more like middle ground out of the three. Middle ground. Here's the NAM 12-kilometer model. As you can see, there goes Wilbur, taking his thunderstorms and snow with it. Then here comes a high pressure into the region, giving you guys a very, very nice Thursday. We're missing the sun, aren't we? And here comes the little clipper system, and then right on behind it, right at its tails, is Xanto, possibly. Here is the snow totals. As you can see, here comes the clipper, and it'll drop maybe 1-2 inches of snow in spots. But the next system's really going to hit hard. About 12 inches of snow in some spots. Here's Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. They're forecasting 3 to 5 inches of snow on Saturday. The Weather Channel is not predicting any snow from the clipper. Here is New York City, 1 to 3 inches they're forecasting. So they're seeing it going in different directions. It's weird. Here is New Haven, Connecticut, where they are showing, let's see here, 3 to 5 inches of snow. Here's Boston, Massachusetts, where they're showing 1 to 3 inches of snow. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Stay safe.